David is a manager, just like you. He leads a group of people responsible for taking the company to the next level. David's boss wants him to ensure his group has clear OKRs, which stands for Objectives and Key Results, that align with those of the company. Have you noticed how I keep using the term group of people instead of team? That's because David doesn't lead a team. Not yet. Unlike a group of people, a team works in harmony towards common objectives. Effective teams make use of diverse viewpoints and work together on concerted actions to achieve those OKRs. But diverse opinions can only be shared in a psychologically safe environment, in which everyone is aware that disagreement and positive conflict are essential to progress and don't have to result in civil war and constant friction. However, how can David build a better team when he doesn't have a clear strategy and doesn't even know what each person needs? Here's where Teamcredible comes in. Each member of David's team has a different personality style and responds differently. They each possess wonderful characteristics that shine when they thrive, but they also have flaws and shortcomings that can cause problems in stressful situations. How awesome would it be if David could read people's minds and know exactly what to say to them? What if he could communicate in a way that got him the results he needs while also making everyone feel great? What if he could document, track, and report on each person's OKRs that support those of the team and the company as a whole? What kind of magic could they create together? Well, they would simply be Teamcredible. Teamcredible's regular surveys, including performance assessments and the widely popular DISC personality test, help David's team learn about themselves while improving communication, productivity, and reducing negative conflict. For example, with Teamcredible, Lucy discovered that Jasmine prefers direct communication, and under stress, she can become impatient and demanding. So stop beating around the bush, Lucy. In contrast, Adam prefers a certain level of friendliness and informality when communicating via email. As a result, Brian can confidently send Adam that hilarious cat video. Aww. So now everyone can interact with them according to their personality types. But that's not all. With Teamcredible's OKR module, each team can set ambitious objectives and the key results they will use to measure its progress. OKRs can be shared by multiple people, and specific tasks can be created easily. Today, David not just leads a team, he leads a tribe of dedicated individuals who work in harmony, attain all their objectives, reach new heights, and have a blast while doing it. Not only does David believe he has built a great team, but his team also believes he is a great leader. David's boss is delighted that the team is outperforming the competition, and David's peers are in awe of his team's success. Even better, David's team is becoming the company's standard for unity and performance, contributing to the company's goals to be the best in the market. Just like David, you can be a leader of a great team, and Teamcredible will be your most powerful tool. It's time to put an end to the days of low productivity, high conflict, and uncertainty. It's time to unleash the power of your team with Teamcredible. Sign up for free at teamcredible.com.